Debris.
Debris.
Oh, there goes.
Oh, watch that tree.
I know, I'm watching it.
Yeah. Oh, that was sick.
Sorry, it just.
It's okay.
Oh, I was talking to. Yeah.
No, I know. Look at that.
Oh, it's touching the ground.
Fully condensed.
Fully condensed. There it goes. Oh.
Oh, I got a beautiful picture of it too. Camera's doing great. Oh, that's gorgeous.
Sorry.
That is gorgeous.
And it's gonna touch down again. There it goes. And it's gonna rope out. Oh, it's snaking.
Look at that. That's beautiful.
Kind of like yesterday.
Look at that. That is just like yesterday.
Just like.
Oh, Scott.
There it is.
You are the absolute man.
There it is. Look at that swirl. All right, stop. Stupid. Oh.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Beautiful rope out. Look at that spin. Time is 7:06. Yeah, go ahead. We're near the town of Duncan, Oklahoma. Actually, excuse me. Let's see that back. Yeah, no, Duncan. Duncan and Marlow. And it's gone. Time is 7:06. Alrighty.